Coffee. Life is like coffee. It's meant to be enjoyed, taken slowly, giving you time to breathe, reflect, and just be. Coffee. Coffee is so important to me. I have my own pot. And in this moment, sitting on this high rise overlooking this ocean, I'm reflecting on and reading about the Knights Templar, an ancient order of protectors. They live by three P's: protecting, preventing, and preparing. They were models of valor, models of being warriors, models of chivalry. They're worth studying. Knights Templar.